So last night, after we set up the tents, we found out we were in the wrong location and had to move. So we carried our tents fully set up and then moved our bikes while one of us stayed at each location to get to here. Here's where we wound up. And actually this turns out to be better anyway because we had power hookup. Not a bad place. There's other bikers here. Their tents set up. So we're right behind the state fairground. And these are all the horse stables and stuff like that. And there's other camp hookups back in here. Heating up some more water for a second round of coffee. So, other biker over there waking up this morning. So yeah, we're starting the day off right, grinding some coffee. Got the AeroPress going. Most of the stuff packed up, just waiting for the tent to kind of dry off a little bit and get loaded up and go to day 2.
Here he is, put the honey away.
You guys got any words of wisdom this morning that you could share?
Yeah, honey is great in your coffee.
Blasphemy. That's blasphemy. Unbelievable.
No, seriously though. You know, camping. This is I was telling Jay, I think this is my really first time camping. I've camped before, but with a bag tent that just popped up, and there was food over there. Didn't have to cook. Didn't have to do anything. Just got up, brushed my teeth, ate food.
Yeah.
So this is my first tent stove.
Awesome.
Tent cook system. My real first tent.
Yeah.
And my real first cup of instant.
Oh yeah, Starbucks.
Italian Starbucks.
Yeah.
Black
Oh,
coffee.
look at that.
Straight black.
Like
no
it
honey.
should be. Like it should
no
be.
sugar.
Proud of you.
Cheers.
Very proud of you. Cheers. Yeah.
I got some oatmeal.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Cooking some oatmeal up.
Yeah.
It's good. How'd you sleep?
It's pretty well.
How's the tent?
The tent's okay. It's better than the last one. I can sit up.
Right.
You know, I can sort of touch my
Stretch.
toes
Can
without.
stretch.
Yeah.
A little bit of room.
Yeah.
It's good.
That's
and I
all
can
that
get up.
matters.
I woke up at 4. Couldn't sleep. So
I did too. I woke up
Shower.
at 4 and I looked at the time and I was like, well, maybe I won't get out yet. So I laid there till about, I don't know, 5:30 maybe before I got up to the bathroom.
I went to take a shower.
And one thing
Nice
I
hot
learned
water.
was your coffee grinder, you can't be quiet with a coffee grinder. Like I was trying to be quiet.
Words of wisdom. Don't be an old bike packer. There you go. How's that?
Why is that?
Didn't sleep well?
Oh no, I slept like a rock for the 3 hours that I was asleep. The first night's always the hardest.
Yeah,
That's my word of wisdom right there.
That's right. That is true. First day and the first night, I think, are the hardest.
Yeah.
Day 2. Sedalia to New Franklin. Gonna go to Katy Round House and camp there. We're loading up. We're ready to go.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Back on the trail.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to.
So last night I had an issue I wanted to talk about for a little bit. Had a flat tire on the rear. Couldn't find the leak, didn't see any sealant. Was pretty sure it must have been dry on sealant. So grabbed a 2-ounce bottle of sealant, Valston tool, and Took out the valve stem, put some more sealant in, aired it back up, found there was a pinhole. Problem solved. Today we are aired up and we should be good to go, but it's a thing to remember if you're out and you're running tubeless. Bring a bottle of sealant, a valve core tool, pump of course, so you can fix those kind of things on the fly.
You and I can weather any storm.
Cal, you're gonna have to move. You're gonna have to move, okay? I don't know where you're going, but I just want to get by. I just want to go around you. It's always a conundrum when there's a cow. Where's your home? Well, this is Clifton City, so not only is it a trailhead, but it's a place for cows, apparently. We stopped, had some food, a little lunch, took a break. So from here to Pilot Grove is a gradual incline, so if you're ever riding the Katy, you just need to know that if you're going east from Clifton City. Little incline all the way to Pilot Grove, and then Bill swears there's an incline from Pilot Grove to Boonville, so I think we're going to test that theory. And there's a little bit of a headwind today, just a little bit, which is a little unusual, I'd say. Away, 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 away. Boonville Train Depot. The Missouri River Bridge in Boonville. There's the Missouri River. We have this nice headway. Welcome to Katy Round House. If you've watched any of my videos, back in the early spring, Jerry and I rode out here to Katy Round House and did some cooking, grilling on some skewers. Good place to camp. We'll go in here and fill out the paperwork and pay the fee.